Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Dreams Channel. Academic Dreams Channel is a classroom for B.Ed course. Today, in the continuation of our discussion, we are going to discuss a very important topic from the paper Measurement and Evaluation, and the topic is what is reliability. Question is very simple. Define reliability. What is reliability? What do you understand by reliability? It is a very simple question. But the depth inside the question must be understood, because a number of questions is asked in this paper on reliability. Suppose, what do you mean by reliability? What are the different types of reliability? What are the methods of reliability? What are the factors which affect the reliability? In this way, a number of questions may be asked, which you can learn step by step. But before everything, before all, if you do not understand what is reliability, then all other concepts will be very difficult for you. If you do not understand what is reliability, it will be difficult to understand the methods of measuring reliability. It will be difficult to understand the characteristics of reliability. That is why my suggestion to you, before everything, you must learn what is reliability. So dear trainee, you understood now the importance of reliability, why you should learn reliability, and why it is important to understand. So our question is, what is reliability? I have written here only 6 lines. You can see 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, only 6 lines. Later on, I have taken one definition. Great educationist as well as expert in the paper on measurement, Guilford. So these 6 lines, I have just put out the point actually here, 6 lines. If you remove this all number, it will be a paragraph. If you keep this point, it will be just 1 point. If you write one after another, number 1, number 2, it will be the characteristic of reliability. So you can utilize all these points, all these lines to discuss about the concept of reliability, to discuss about the characteristics of reliability, to discuss about the importance of reliability. So these points or these lines are taken after a deep study for the concept, and these points are the ultimate summary of the concept reliability. So let us see what the points are written here. Reliability is one of the important quality of standardized, STAN, standardized test. Then it is a new concept, what is called standardized test. Standardized tests are those tests which are applied universally and prepared according to psychological rules and regulations. It is different from teacher-made test, because teacher-made tests are not applied universally. The test is prepared for this school may not be applied in other school, but intelligent test is a universal test. Intelligent test is a universal test. That test is utilized everywhere in this world. So now let us see. Reliability is one of the important quality of standardized test. That means if we want to prepare any standardized test, the test must have reliability. Next, Reliability means degree of consistency of test score. Degree of consistency, if you go through any book, any lecture, you will get this term degree of consistency. While a discussion is arranged on reliability, a discussion is delivered on reliability, you will definitely get the term degree of consistency. If you zoom your screen, you can see degree of consistency. So what is degree of consistency? That means if test is applied somewhere by a number of experts, a number of teachers, if same test is applied in different places on similar group, the test will give, after the test, you will get a kind of score, and the score if may not be same, exactly same, but if there is similarity, degree of consistency is there, at least scores are nearby of this test and that test, then the test can be said as reliable. So, intelligent test, teacher-made test. For half-yearly exam, the teacher prepare the teacher-made test. To test the intelligence and perception of the children, we prepare the standardized test. We means that must be prepared by well-expert psychologist. Number 3, there is no single reliability of a test. Reliability is not single term. Reliability on administration, reliability on setting the question. In this way, there is no single reliability of a test. Reliability is necessary but not sufficient condition for validity. So reliability and validity are two terms, and both are necessary condition to prepare a psychological test, and both are necessary condition, it is a condition of good test. But a test must have validity, but reliability is not necessary condition for validity, because we can say directly a test may be valid but may not be reliable, or a reliable test may not be valid. That is why it is a very difficult concept that you must understand from your heart the concept of reliability and validity. So in our further video definitely we will discuss about validity, but in short, validity is the real truthness of the test or test score. Next, reliability is always find out in statistical method in the form of coefficient of correlation. Statistical method, one of the important method of statistics is coefficient of correlation, and reliability is always found out in the form of coefficient of correlation, and that is statistical method. But validity may be logical also. So that is why in relation to validity we must sometimes mention the concept of reliability. And finally, another sentence is here. You will see reliability indicate the level of confidence on the measurement. While there is reliability, if the same test is applied in different places in the nearby locality, if the score is found after evaluation, if the score is found more or less same, then we can say that test is reliability. A test have reliability. That is the degree of consistency, that concept. But while the test has degree of consistency, it develops confidence in the measurement. That means reliability is necessary condition to develop confidence in the measurement. So these all are the summarizing points which say something about reliability. These all lines says what is reliability. These all lines say how we will explain reliability. What do you mean by reliability? So when we discuss this kind of question, what is reliability, it is not necessary, but it is better to take the reference of a particular well-known expert's definition. So Guilford is one of the well-known, one of the popular expert in this paper. He said the reliability of a test of reliability of a set of measurement is logically defined as, that means reliability is defined as the variance. Variance means difference, variance means degree of consistency, variance means gap. So it is variance, that is the true variance. In real sense, it must be variance in obtained test score. So in obtained test scores, if two tests is applied on same group, suppose two tests are applied on same group of student or learner or children, and if the tests, both the tests shows or indicate more or less similar score, then we may say both the tests are reliable. So that is, variance must be very close. So dear trainees, dear learners, in this paper, you no need to write a lengthy answer of 2 pages, 3 pages. You should not think the question is asked for what is reliability. You must write at least 1 page. The concept is not like that. The nature of this paper is to some extent different. In this paper, you must write what is true. You cannot give some useless points here. So from 1 to 6, all the 6 lines will say what is reliability. This definition again very clearly indicate what is reliability, and from here you can write even the characteristics of reliability. So if you understand reliability later on, it will be very easy to understand about the methods of reliability or the factors which affect the reliability and so on. So we will meet in our further video by taking some closer concept related to reliability. Thank you.